Check out these handy new personal lights from Milwaukee. This folding floodlight rotates 210 degrees on a magnetic base with a built-in carabiner. On high, it's got 550 lumens of true view high definition output. It's got 3 modes so you can reduce the brightness and increase your running time to over 11 hours. It's impact rated for a 2-meter tumble. It's chemically resistant for those of you that work with dirty mitts, and it's also got IP54 rating for dust and water. Next up is this pivoting flashlight and work light. It's got a nice strong magnetized base which provides adaptable hands-free application. The head pivots 110 degrees, so you can either hold it like a flashlight or clip it to your vest or shirt. It's also got a high and a low flood mode to adapt it to the job at hand. It can also handle a 2-meter drop. It's chemically resistant and IP54 rated. Both these lamps are rechargeable via USB, and the USB cable is included with both of them. Powered by 3 AAAs, this focusing flashlight fits in your pocket and packs plenty of punch. This lamp has 2 modes of output. On high, 325 lumens of true view, high definition output. And if you cycle through the power button, you'll get to low mode, which will give you 18 hours of runtime. It's got a full aluminium body and can be dropped from 4 meters. It's IP67 rated for water and dust. I'd keep one of these in the house just in case of a blackout. The last light today is this handy magnetic floodlight. Powered by 2 AAAs, it's got 300 lumens of true view high definition output. It's got magnets on the tail and on the back, and a rotating clip doubles as a stand as well. It's also rated for a 4-meter impact. It's chemically resistant and IP54 rated for water and dust. So don't get left in the dark on your next job. There's one of these 4 personal lights from Milwaukee for every application. You got any questions about any of these personal lights, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.